Hello, welcome to our channel, Amazing Top 5. For today's topic, we will give the top 5 powerful herbal medicine. But before we start, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. So let's begin. Despite having access to so many technological possibilities, many people still find themselves returning to the original source of medicinal plants, herbal medicines that have the power to heal and improve both physical and emotional well-being. The power of nature is on our side, and these herbal options are there to supplement our health practices, even though these man-made pharmaceuticals have unquestionably become essential in our lives. So today, we hope that by providing a foundation for people who want to incorporate herbal therapies into their lives and come prepared, this guide will serve as a helpful beginning point. Always consult your doctor before beginning a new health regimen. Number 5. Ginkgo. Ginkgo is a vital herb in Chinese medicine and one of the oldest homeopathic plants, as well as one of the oldest tree species. The leaves are used to make extracts, capsules, and tablets. They can also be dried and drunk as tea. Its capacity to improve brain health is arguably its best-known quality. According to studies, ginkgo can help people with mild to moderate dementia, as well as Alzheimer's and dementia patients' deterioration in cognition. More studies are being conducted, including an animal study that suggests it may affect bone healing, on a substance that may help diabetics. Fascinating fact. Given that the ginkgo tree's fossils date back 270 million years, it is regarded as a living fossil. These trees have a 3,000-year lifespan. Ginkgo may be advantageous for dementia, Alzheimer's condition, vision health, inflammation, diabetes, bone regrowth, anxiety, depression. Things to think about. Long-term use has been linked to an increased risk of thyroid and liver cancer in rats. Since it is known to be difficult on the liver enzyme levels may need to be watched. Blood thinners and it may interfere. If swallowed, ginkgo seeds are toxic. Headache, upset stomach, lightheadedness, and allergic reaction are examples of possible side effects. The potential medication interactions with ginkgo should be explored with your doctor before using it. Number 4. Turmeric. A bottle of turmeric placed on a spice shelf is tough to overlook because of its vivid orange color. Turmeric, which has its roots in India, is thought to have anti-cancer effects and can stop DNA alterations. It is an anti-inflammatory that can be consumed as a supplement and applied topically for arthritis sufferers who want to ease pain. It is a delicious, antioxidant-rich trusted source item that is utilized in cooking all around the world. Recent studies suggest that turmeric may be effective in treating a number of dermatologic conditions, including joint arthritis. Fascinating fact. For more than 4,000 years, turmeric has been used as a medicine. It is the cornerstone of the Indian alternative medicine system known as Ayurveda. These things might benefit from turmeric. Discomfort brought on by inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Avoiding cancer. Preventing DNA alterations. Many skin conditions. Things to think about. People frequently consume excessive amounts of supplements, making it challenging to rely on the dosage and quality. When used as a herb in food or beverage, safety is increased. Potential stomach issues could result from prolonged use. Turmeric's bioavailability is poor. When consumed with pepper, your body will absorb more of its advantages. Number 3. Evening primrose oil. An oil that is produced by the eye-catching evening primrose flower is said to be effective in treating eczema and the symptoms of PMS. The studies that are accessible on this oil are generally dispersed, although some of them are more credible than others. Evening primrose oil, for instance, has been shown in several trials to have anti-inflammatory qualities. It has been shown to be effective in treating diseases like diabetic neuropathy and atopic dermatitis. Additionally, it can help with other medical issues like breast pain. Recent research points to improving the quality of life for patients with multiple sclerosis, changing hormones and insulin sensitivity in those dealing with polycystic ovary syndrome, and using it topically to improve mild dermatitis. Fascinating fact. As the sun starts to set, evening primrose blossoms also go by the name moonflower. They frequently claim to smell like lemons. Evening primrose oil may be advantageous for PMS, a few minor skin issues, a breast ache, menopause, inflammation, diabetic nerve damage, a number of sclerosis, PCOS, Systolic pressure. Things to think about. Interacts with a few blood-thinning medicines. Uncertain safety during pregnancy may prevent the absorption of medications used to treat HIV. Lithium interactions for bipolar disorder. Long-term usage might not be secure. Number 2. Flax seed. One of the safer options among plant-based dietary supplements is flax seed, which is also offered as an oil. Flax seed has been harvested for thousands of years, and today it is praised for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Flax seed has been linked to a lower risk of colon cancer, according to one study, though further research with humans is required. According to a different study reliable source, flax seed can lower blood pressure. Consuming it may even help prevent obesity. As well as being sold as tablets, oil, which can be incorporated into capsules, and flour, flax seed and flaxseed meal are frequently used to oatmeal and smoothies. Dietary additions of flax seed are the most effective method. Cook with hot cereal, stew, handmade breads, or smoothies, or sprinkle ground seeds on cereal or salad. To the salad dressing, add flaxseed oil. Fascinating fact. One of the few plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids is flax seeds. Soybeans, walnuts, and chia seeds are among more sources. Flax seed may be advantageous for reduction of obesity, control of blood pressure, avoidance of colon cancer, inflammation, a hot flash. Things to think about. Flax seed may have an impact on a woman's ability to produce estrogen, especially if she has a history of cancer or is expecting a child. Avoid consuming flax seeds that are immature or raw, as they may be harmful. Number 1. Tea tree oil. The Australian native tea tree contains an oil that has long been believed to be helpful for inflammatory skin diseases such as moderate acne, athlete's foot, minor cuts, dandruff, and bug bites. There needs to be more research on acne and scalp use, but for the time being, there has been some investigation into tea tree oil's potent antibacterial properties on wounds and skin infections. According to a new study, tea tree oil inhibits the growth of microorganisms that cause acne. It's frequently used as an extremely potent essential oil. Wilson advises diluting tea tree oil with a carrier oil, as one should do with other essential oils. She continues by saying that it frequently comes diluted in a range of skincare products and creams. Fascinating fact. Australia's Queensland and New South Wales are home to a tree whose leaves are used to make tea tree oil. Tea tree oil might be advantageous for acne, runner's foot cuts, dandruff, mosquito bites. Things to think about. Taking tea tree oil orally is dangerous. A reaction to an allergen could affect your skin. It might affect hormones. Not advised for long-term use. That's for now, guys. But before we end this video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and comment to my videos. See you in my next video. Thank you.